This is how to link your Sidra chain to MetaMask, how to connect your Sidra chain to your MetaMask wallet. Very simple. You can do this without breaking a sweat. Without wasting time, let's go into the tutorial. But please, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel. Very important. And also make sure you share it to your community members, your groups, your channels, because so many people are struggling to do this. Because on my previous video I got a lot of comments, people requesting on how to do this for me to make a video, and this video is based on demand. So let's get right into it. So once you open your Sidra app, you might see something like this. Connect your personal wallet. It says Sidra has upgraded every user to a personal self-custodian wallet. This is a one-time setup that takes about 2 minutes. Your existing balance is safe. So they say we should connect MetaMask or another browser wallet to keep control of our keys. So they say why every single miners on Sidra must do this update is because their keys, is for their safety though, is because their keys will never leave their device. Even if Sidra servers were ever attacked, your wallet will be safe for you and you will truly own your assets. No one, not even Sidra, can move your tokens without your consent or without your approval. And also this is also a global Web3 standard which other top wallets like Trust Wallet, Coinbase and other ones uses. So click on it. As you can see, it says MetaMask not dictated. Yes, this is another issue, but we are going to use a smarter way to bypass this using MetaMask extension. Yes, instead of using the app, because although you might have app on your phone, MetaMask app, and it will still be showing not dictated here. Download Mises browser, then open it, search for MetaMask extension, then you will see this. So click on it, then it will bring out add extension for you. Mine is already added, so it's showing remove extension. Once you tap on the add, you come down here. Yes, once you come down here, you go to extensions. Once you click on extensions, it will bring out all your extensions. So once you tap on the MetaMask, they will ask you to input your passphrase. Yes, you will input your MetaMask passphrase into this extension. So after that, you set up your password which we will be using for logging in into the extension wallet. But please take note, don't use your main wallet. Don't use your main wallet. Use your Bona wallet. Bona wallet is like airdrop wallet you're not using for any serious stuff. Use your Bona wallet, please. So after that, come to this search bar here and type SidraChain.com. Then you search for it. That's the wallet browser there. Once you search for it, we open your Sidra as it is on the app. When you want to open your app, that's exactly how it will open on this extension browser. And if this is taking a lot of time to load, all you have to do is to use VPN. Yes, so I'm currently on this extension browser, not on my MetaMask app, so this is much easier. Once you open on your extension browser, you operate it as you used to operate it on your app. So you come to that update, tap on connect now. So as you can see, it's not showing MetaMask dictated, unlike before when we haven't used this extension method, it was showing not dictated. So that's it. Tap on here to connect. So as you can see, after that, it will open your MetaMask wallet on the extension. Yes, once you open it, they will ask you to connect. You tap on connect, then you confirm, and to sign this message you need to confirm again. So after that, Bagam wallet connected is all done. So pass like that. Just make sure you follow the instructions step by step. So as you can see what is showing on the interface right here, your account is upgraded to self-custody. Yes, the account is upgraded and ready. So let's add Sidra Chain to our MetaMask wallet. Yes, as you used to add other networks like Ethereum network, BSC, and other chains. So that's how you add it now. Make sure you are using your Bona wallet. Don't use your main wallet. You are storing valuable coins there. Use your Bona wallet. Bona wallet is like airdrop wallet you don't use for much important stuffs like that. Click on these three lines you're seeing up here at the top right corner. Then go to networks. Then after that, tap on add network. Yes. Now here is very sensitive and important. You need to follow this video carefully. If possible, you will see a settings icon on this video. Tap on it and increase the quality of the video. If you are watching on YouTube, you can do this so that you can see everything I'm typing through these spaces. Or you can go to the comment section and comment go. When you get to this place, just comment go and I will send you what to enter in each of these spaces. The first one is Sidra Chain, which is network name, and RPC URL. Then RPC name, still Sidra Chain. Then chain ID 97453. They said you already have a network with the same chain ID or RPC URL. Enter a new chain ID or RPC URL. So this is because I have already added this Sidra Chain network already on my MetaMask. So I'm just doing this for the tutorial purposes. So the symbol, you enter SDA. Yes, the almighty SDA token. And for the block explorer URL, you enter this here and then tap on save. So once you tap on save, you come down to your networks in the MetaMask wallet networks. You will see Sidra Chain network there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes, like this video and share it to your friends and community members who are participating on this Sidra Chain. And if you have done this thing, just come to the comment section and type done. Yes, and if you have any issue while doing it, I'm always in the comment section getting notification of comment. Once I get your comment notification, I enter and reply you and help you out immediately. Just comment any challenges you are facing in this tutorial. Make sure you drop a comment and within a sec, I will be there and help you out.